them out. They're up on my channel. They're worth a watch. And if you don't know who I am, I'm Country Wood Girl, and I am doing a barn conversion with my partner Tom, who you've already met in the past 2 videos. Who's the one making that big racket if the camera's picking it up? He's actually cutting the grass. So yeah, he's doing a great job, so we'll let him carry on. Don't want to disturb him and stop him because then it might not get done. But anyway, this video is all about taking walls down. So the first one we're going to take down is this one. This one should be quite easy to take down. There's nothing structural holding it. So yeah, we're going to set up a little bit of a scaffold that we can stand on and start getting some of these loose rocks off, and we might have to start hitting it. Should be really fun, so please do stick around and watch this video. If you do like it, please do hit that thumbs up button, and thank you very much for all the support you've given us in the comments so far. So let's crack on.
when you're watching.
Weaver.
So we've got this wall down, kitchen diner's coming along nicely. So I'll make a start around the back now. I've had an afternoon at this already, but get a scaffold up there, start on that one next.
So as we've been taking that other wall down inside the barn, we've also been slowly starting to take this back wall down. Now all this is to be dug out eventually, but also all this has to be rebuilt. So we may as well start taking the walls down now. So that's kind of what we're on with. I think we're going to do this bit, Tom's going to do this bit tomorrow, well some of it, and then I'm going to come help after I've finished work, and then we'll just carry on along for now. another really nice day here in the lakes today, and as you can see, we've finally got this wall down, and then we're going to continue on and just keep moving along to get that wall down, because all this backside needs rebuilt. So that's the plan for the day. Got plenty of drinks with us today because it is so hot. But yeah, I hope you are enjoying this video. Please do stick around, give that thumbs up button, and let's crack on.
Gotta take down some walls, okay?
That's fine.
Yeah. Telling the people what we're doing.
You missed a few! You missed some!